Hello, my name is Vince Cochin and welcome to Everyday Math Fundamentals. There are many uses for math that most of us encounter on a day-to-day basis. With a few basic skills, you can use math to make your life a little bit easier. This course will begin by teaching you the building blocks of math, by explaining how to use concepts like fractions, decimals, and percents, among other basic concepts. After I explain each concept, I'll guide you through a real-life example where you can apply your knowledge. Once we finished learning math concepts, I'll show you more everyday examples where you can apply your skills. I separate these into shopping and cooking math, health and fitness math, home improvement math, finance math, and probability math. I've been helping people learn math skills for more than 8 years, and after you're done with this course, I hope math becomes easier for you too. Let's get started. Here are a few tips to make sure you get the most out of this Everyday Math Fundamentals course. Studies show that people who believe intelligence is changeable learn more easily than those who don't. So it will help to adopt the belief that you can become good at math even if you think you're bad at it right now. In addition to believing they're bad at math, many people often avoid math out of fear of not understanding it. But in my experience with most math learners, it's possible to overcome negative beliefs and fears if you work hard and keep an open mind. With consistent practice, math becomes doable. Before you start the course, you should be comfortable with basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You should also have a calculator. The one on your mobile phone is fine. You'll also need some paper and a pencil. Finally, after watching each movie, make sure you do the exercises I recommend. Practice is crucial. In the next movie, I'll go into more detail about how I'd like you to use the exercise files that come with this course. The truth is, you could do your homework later, but it will be much more effective for you to complete the practice right after watching the movies. No one ever got to be good at math just by watching movies. In order to learn, it's important to practice. Repeat the exercises until they're easy, then find a real-life math problem that is similar to really enhance your learning. Take as much time as you need and work at your own pace. Remember, the more often you practice math, the better you'll get and the easier it will be to learn new concepts in the future.